Hello viewers, welcome to Pharma Job Vacancy Odisha. Viewers, in today's video, the maximum vacancies are for experienced persons, and only one vacancy we have in today's video for freshers. And in today's video, maximum vacancies are for medium-sized pharmaceutical company or moderate-sized pharmaceutical company, and some of the companies are also well-known pharmaceutical companies, but are few in today's video. So start the video without any waste your time. So the first company is Alnichi Life Science Private Limited. It is a medium-sized pharmaceutical company, but having a good market share in the Indian pharmaceutical sector. Job role is medical representative. Company is what I say, Alnichi Life Science Private Limited. And division is critical care, and segment is also critical care. You have to deal with the critical care products like higher antibiotic injectables. And the locations is Bhubaneswar, and at least having 3 year of market experience in same headquarter to apply for this post, and minimum qualification is required graduation. Age criteria is below 30 years. You have to contact 7008682836 is the concerned person mobile number. He is the area business manager of Bhubaneswar region. Next company is Micro Labs Limited. This company is a very well-known pharmaceutical company, pan-India presence, and top 20 company in the pharmaceutical sector. Job role is medical representative, and division vacant is Carcion 4. In last video, I updated in vacancy for Carcion 1. It is another division, Carcion 4. So division also segment is cardio and diabetic. You have to deal with the cardio and diabetic products, and location is Cuttack. At least having 2 year of market experience to apply for this post, and graduation is the minimum qualification required to apply for this, and age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to dassabhya101@gmail.com, or you can contact 9861240333 is the area business manager mobile number. Next is Ipca Laboratories Limited. In last video I also upload this video, and today's video the locations are 3, but last video locations are, I think only Bhubaneswar was there, vacant location. But in today's video, Ipca Laboratory having vacancy in diabetic division. Vacant locations are Bhubaneswar, Balasore as well as Sambalpur. For 3 headquarters, the recruitment is going on. Job role is medical representative, division is diabetic, and segment you have to also deal with the diabetic products. At least having 3 years of market experience in pharmaceutical sector in same headquarter also. And qualification is required graduation, whether you are completed graduation arts, commerce or science, you can apply for this post, and age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 9438488914 is the area business manager's contact details. Next is Mankind Pharma Limited. This is the top 5 pharmaceutical company in Indian pharmaceutical sector. So job role is medical representative, but the division is Gravitas, and segment is not known. But locations are what we are getting information from the concerned person, the various headquarters. So if you are approaching for Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Rourkela, Sambalpur, Balangir, different headquarters, the vacant recruitment is going on. So I will inform the contact details. There you can get much more details about it. So the experience required, at least having 3 months of market experience, the minimum experience required. Okay, so qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 26 years. You have to put your update CV to bianateya@gmail.com is the concerned person mail ID. You just drop your update CV to them, then they will contact you if you are got shortlisted, CV got shortlisted. Okay. So the next company is Baneto Therapeutics. It is a medium-sized pharmaceutical company who is running over entirely Odisha. So job role is medical representative, division and segment is not known, and the vacant location is Barampur. At least having 6 months of market experience will help you to grab this opportunity, and in same headquarter also. Qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to put your update CV to ajit.p@benitopharmaceuticals.com, or you can contact 73810648404. Okay. Yeah, the next vacancy is for Galcare Pharmaceuticals Limited. It is also a medium-sized pharmaceutical company. Job role is medical representative. Division is derma, and segment is dermatology. You have to deal with the derma I think that I'll say skin related products. Okay, so vacant locations are Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and Sambalpur. For these three vacant positions, vacant locations are experience having at least 1 year in same headquarter. Qualification is also graduation required, and the age criteria is below 27 years. You have to drop your update CV to srikant_bu04@yahoo.com, or you can drop your update CV, or you can WhatsApp your update CV to 7008213966 is the regional business manager's mobile number. So the next vacancy is for FDC Limited. This vacant, FDC Limited. The job role is medical representative. Divisions is not known, but you have to deal with the brands like Zipod, 1AL and Myosol. These are the renowned brand of this division. Segment is not known, and the location is Sambalpur. You have at least having 1 year of experience in same headquarter, and a qualification is graduation required. The age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 7008737588 is the regional sales manager mobile number, who is in charge of Odisha. And the next company is also Mankind Pharma Limited. It is another division that called Future. Segment is not known, but the vacant location is Rourkela, and job role is medical representative. At least having 6 months of market experience required to apply for this post, and qualification is BSc or BPharm is must, and age criteria is below 26 years. You have to drop your update CV to rameswar.sarab@gmail.com. Next is Themis Medicare. This is also a medium-sized pharmaceutical company. Job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known. Vacant location is Kanjar. At least having 6 months of market experience will help you to grab this opportunity, and qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 27 years. You have to drop your update CV to sunilsahu900@gmail.com, or you can contact 800932376668 is the area business manager number, and the 9437137436 it is the regional business manager's contact details. And the last company is Forts India Limited. It is also a medium-sized company, but having pan-India presence. Some of the brands are like very well-known products in pharmaceutical fraternity. And job role is medical representative, and division is vacant is Vibrant. Segment is not known, but the vacant location is Barampur. Beauty of this vacancy is if you are a fresher, you can apply for this post. Qualification is the graduation required minimally, and age criteria is below 25 years. You have to drop your update CV to lenkasudhanshu.live@gmail.com, or you can contact 800932376668. I think that the contact details actually it is fall wrong. So you can update your put your update CV to lenkasudhanshu.live@gmail.com will be the good. Okay, so these are the today's vacancy. I hope it will help you somewhere to change your company to grab another opportunity in your pharmaceutical career, and the only vacancy is for a fresher. I hope it will also give you an opportunity to join pharmaceutical sector. So share this video to your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on latest vacancies. Thank you.